mathematicians, let's talk about our dividing decimals homework. Alright, we are starting with Jasmine and her 6 collared shirts for work. Altogether it costs $77.70. We want to know how much each shirt costs if they all cost the same amount. That's a hint that this is a division problem. Now I know it's a lot of numbers, we're going to take it one digit at a time. Starting right here. If you have $7, can you make a group of 6? Yes, you can. Can you make 2 groups of 6? No, not 2, because 2 groups of 6 is 12. 1 group of 6 is 6, and you'll even have 1 left over. Next, you're going to bring down your 7. If you have $17, can you make a group of 6? Yes. Can you make 2 groups of 6? Yes. Can you make 3 groups of 6? 3 times 6 is 18. That's just a little bit too big. We can make 2 groups, which is 12. Oops, I skipped. Which is 12, which leaves us with a remainder of 5. Now, I didn't draw it very big, but that's a decimal point, and when you have a decimal, you raise it to the roof. It's going right there. 77 has 2 digits before the decimal point. 12 has 2 digits before the decimal point. Okay, that's good. Bring down your third and final 7. 57, whoa, that's a big number. You're definitely going to be able to make groups of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. That's 9 times 9, 54. Oop, there we go, that's close. 9 goes right here. 54. So 57 minus 54 is 3. Bring down your 0. 6 goes into 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 5 times with no remainder. There is our final answer. And we're going to write it off to the side like we write our answers with our units. If you write a little sentence that says each collared shirt costs $12.95, that would be even better. Let me move my face. Okay. Alyssa bought a bottle of soda that contains 100 fluid ounces. Alright, so here's my soda bottle. It contains 100 fluid ounces in the whole soda bottle. So this would be 100 fluid, oops, not FT, FLOZ, fluid ounces. 1 serving is 8 ounces. That means that here, that's 8 ounces. 2 servings would be 8 and 8 makes 16 ounces. 3 servings would be 8 and 8 and 8, that's 24 ounces. Fun fact, 8 ounces is 1 cup. So this is like 3 cups of soda we've already got here. We're trying to figure out how many servings or how many cups are in this 100 fluid ounce soda bottle. So this is a division problem. 100 divided by 8 fluid ounces, which is 1 cup. If you have 1 fluid ounce, can you make a group of 8? No, that's not enough. So you're going to put a 0 right here. If we have 10 fluid ounces, can you make a serving of 8 fluid ounces? Yes. Can you make 2 servings of 8 fluid ounces? No, just 1. And you're going to have 2 fluid ounces left over. Bring down your 0. If you have 20 fluid ounces, you can make 8, 16, 24, no, 24 is too big, 2 servings. That is 16, subtract, that leaves you with a remainder of 4. Oh my gosh, my face is in the way again. Alright, and now we're going to add a decimal point. Nope, decimal point. And a 0. Raise that decimal to the roof, right behind the 12. Bring that 0 down. If you have 40 fluid ounces, you can make 5 servings because 8 times 5 is 40. And your answer is that this soda bottle contains 12 and a half servings. You could say 12 and a half cups, but seeing as the question says how many servings, you want to make sure you're sticking with the units they asked for. Frankie's grandma gave him $100. Thanks, Grandma. He decides to buy 8 packs of Pokemon cards. Each pack costs $7.99. How much money will he have left over? This is not division. Don't assume just because the topic is division, that every problem is division. 1 pack costs $7.99. 8 packs is going to cost whatever $7.99 times 8 is. 8 times 9 is 72. We put our 2 here. Carry our 7. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 7 more is 79. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 7 is 63. And we have 1, 2 place values behind our decimal. So 8 packs of cards cost $63.92. He had $100. Or, importantly, because we have decimal points, $100.00. We're now going to subtract $63.92. Well, this involves some regrouping. This is going to become 9, 10, nope, 9, 10, nope, 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 9 is 0, decimal point, decimal point, decimal point, because we do stack them when we add and subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 3. He has $36.08 left over after buying 8 packs of Pokemon cards. Last but not least is Jerry. Jerry is choosing between 2 different sizes of paint cans at a home improvement store. Ooh, I use this type of division all the time. It's like real life helpful. He can spend $25.50 on a 30-ounce can, or he can spend more but get more. He can spend $49.75 on a 60-ounce can. So you have a couple ways to solve this one. Basically, when you're trying to figure out the better deal, you just want to compare them at the same amount. One way to do this is to find what's called the unit rate, which we'll talk about later in the next unit. Unit rate. And you can divide. You can compare the 30-ounce. Oops. Every time I move my face, it turns my pen off. You can compare the 30-ounce and the 60-ounce. Oops. By dividing. You can say how much does it cost for 1 ounce. That's going to be 2 division problems. Sometimes that's the only way to do it. So you would divide up your money, $25.50, divided by 30 ounces. And whatever this quotient is, this answer, that would be the cost for 1 ounce. And then you'd do the same over here. $49.75 divided by 60 ounces. And this would be the cost for 1 ounce. And then you could compare this answer versus this answer, because they're now both talking about 1 ounce. But we don't have to do division always. Oh, I think someone wants to say hello. Oh, don't step on that. Okay, this is Mouse. He just stepped on the computer, and I don't know if we're still recording. But he wanted to say hi, because Mouse does not like to do extra work. Mouse doesn't want to do more division than he has to. So instead, we're going to compare at the same unit by doubling the 30, because 30 plus 30 makes 60. Right, Mouse? He doesn't understand math. But we do. So, we're going to say, okay, if we have a 30-ounce can, we could get 60 ounces by buying 2 of them. So where is it cheaper to get 60 ounces? From the 60 ounces that's already the 60-ounce can for $49.75, or to get 2 30-ounce cans for $25.50 plus $25.50. Because if this is 30 ounces and this is 30 ounces, that'll give you 60 ounces, but that would be $51. And I don't want to spend more money than I have to. So the better deal, oh Mouse, get out of the way. The better deal is to buy the one that's originally 60 ounces, because it's going to be cheaper for every ounce. Ta-da! We did some math, and we got to meet a very handsome, not very smart kitty cat named Mouse. Say bye!